Hello, algebra students. Example says simplify. We see negative f shoved up against this parentheses, and so we know negative f is multiplying with that entire grouping. So I'm going to read it as negative f times the quantity, all of it, of f plus 8. All right, now simplifying this is easier than it looks. Now, I'm a step skipper, guys. When I look at negative f times f, I just go straight to negative f squared. And that's what your college teachers will do as well. But I want to show you where that number is coming from in case you get muddled, because that's usually the part that confuses students here. So remember, we have what we call an invisible coefficient in math class. And that's not like a official math name. That's what I call it, I should say, to help you remember that if you just see a negative in front of an F, that's negative 1F. Or if you don't see anything in front of an F, that's just a 1. Okay, so that invisible coefficient I'm referring to is 1. So if I say negative 1 times 1, you could type that into your calculator if you need to, but you're just going to get negative 1. And then we know that when we're multiplying, we can use exponents to talk about repeated factors. Well, we have a repeated factor, right? We have an f and another f multiplying. So that's a total of 2 f's multiplying, or 2 factors of f, which I can rewrite as which I can rewrite as f squared. Now, this is true, what I have written here, negative 1f squared. But the reason why your teachers and I will jump straight to negative f squared without the 1 is, again, that idea that I don't need to count to 1, right? That's why I call it the invisible coefficient. So instead of writing negative 1f squared, I'll just write negative f squared. Let me put that guy a little closer so it doesn't mess with your head. So negative f squared. Okay, enough of this going slow. Let's go a little faster. All right, so now next thing here is we need to pass this negative f out to multiply with the positive 8. And again, this is a negative 1f. So negative 1 times positive 8 will give me negative 8. And then I'm just going to shove that f on the backside to say whatever f is, it is multiplying with negative 8. And I'm done. These can't combine. I can't subtract any further because this is an f squared term and this is just a plain old f term. Check. Time to go drink tea.